Okay, so maayos naman yung progress natin today. I have some updates, pero I just need to document this situation or this um, experience that I've been having. Kasi effective naman, no? I will explain kung anong ginawa ko mamaya. Pero gusto ko lang i-note to kasi technically may tinatapos pa ako, no? Di ba gaya ng sabi ko, I always finish the cut, no? Finish the cut to, di ba? Finish the cut before I even record this video. Pero ano eh, ayaw talaga eh, no? Ito na naman siya, men. So, if I'm going to describe kung ano yung nararamdaman ko, parang nandito siya. Parang, ito, nandito siya. Parang sinasabi niya, ayaw ko nang magtrabaho, tama na. Stop it. Parang ganon, no? Parang, tama na. Tapos na tayo for the day. Parang ganon. Looking at my schedule, nakapag-work naman ako ng 8 hours. Pero may kulang pa ako and sobrang konti ng natapos ko, 'no. And again, I acknowledge na 'no, sa previous video ko na yes, mabagal ako mag-edit. I'm still in the fundamentals 'no, I'm still building myself. And, technically midday na ngayon, eh, 'no, so we're trying to battle the midday 'no, midday na, eh, yeah. So, kailangan ko pa at gusto ko pang mag-work. Kaso ito, ide-describe ko, I'll do shadow work. Ang bigat ng dito ko 'no, hindi yata kita sa camera. Mabigat mabigat yung dito ko 'no, mabigat siya. Pero mentras I'm actively, thinking na gusto kong umokey siya, gumagaang siya konti 'no. So, gumagaang, okey, gumagaang. Um, Let me describe rin yung nararamdaman ko logically 'no. Naistupiduhan ako sa sarili ko kasi una hindi naman 'to physical work 'no, nahihirapan akong tanggapin kung gaano ako kabobo or kahina at times like right now 'no. Kasi una wala naman akong binubuhat 'no, like walang mabigat sa kailangan kong gawin 'no. I just need to work, 'di ba? Kailangan ko lang mag-edit, kailangan ko lang 'tong tapusin. Actually, I'm just trying the cut, 'di ba? So kapag cut hindi ka na mag-iisip kung maganda ba. Okey, so ayun na naman ang issue. Feeling ko na-catch ko na naman yung issue. Um, okey kaya nga training 'di ba, so nakakalimutan na naman natin yung concept. Dito ko bibigyan ng yung sarili ko ng grace, ng pasensya, ng ano, ng, ah, leeway na 'wag magalit 'pag nakalimutan ko na naman. Makakalimutan ko talaga yun men. Kasi subconsciously nakakalimutan natin yun, it's okay 'no, at least hindi tayo mapapagod na, um, hindi tayo mapapagod na i-remind yung sarili natin at maniwala sa sarili natin na matatandaan natin 'yan. Nakalimutan ko na naman yung concept na kapag cut one is hindi siya kailangan maging maganda. Ah, Currently kasi sa isip ko kailangan siya maging maganda na naman 'no. Again, perfectionist within me. Kaya pala ako nape-pressure. Okey, try nga natin. So, hindi siya kailangan maging maganda 'no. Okey, ang hirap, ang hirap. Okey, okey. Ang bigat pa rin. Ayaw niyang gumana. Ayaw niyang gumana. Hindi siya gumagana men. Ah, pero susubukan ko pa rin, okey? Pero yun pala yun 'no, yun pala yung nagpe-pressure kasi yes, it's the middle of the day, kapagod 'no, parang ano ba, ba't ayaw gumana ng utak ko, ayaw niya kumilos. Eh, kasi nape-pressure na naman pala 'no, kasi ginagandahan na naman. So, sige pero pipilitin natin 'no. Bukod dun, Bukod dun, alam ko na. Kasi nga alam mo ito ang hirap rin niyang tanggapin, eh. Ang hirap tanggapin na yung sarili ko is na-train na na 'wag masyadong mag-work 'no. Like hindi siya normal sa'kin. Sobrang hindi normal sa'kin, hindi sanay yung katawan ko kahit na kaya pa ng isip ko, yung subconscious ko ayaw na. Like alam ko sa sarili ko na kaya ko pa at kailangan ko pang mag-work, ayaw sumunod ng katawan ko kasi hindi pa siya sanay 'no. Like yeah, hinahatak ako, I would say not pababa, gusto kong mas baguhin pa yung perspective ko overall. Like hinahatak lang ako sa naaalala niya na bagay 'no, ayoko namang i-demonize yung sarili ko, it's just that it's nature, you know? And, yeah, I just want to, grow continuously. I think okay naman na 'to. I will, tawag dito, I will work, okay? I think nakatulong 'to 'no, I think whenever sobrang hirap na ako talaga mag-work, I just need to record a video real quick kahit na hindi pa dapat, kalahati lang ng video at least. Tapos magre-record ako ulit pagtapos, which is yun na yung official video talaga, 'di ba? Ang hirap yun, eh. It's just so hard, man, and again, training, eh, sa training wala namang madali, 'di ba? Okey lang yun. Again, kahapon lang I said it's an advantage na galing ako sa worst, eh. Kaya okey lang kasi at least I can, help myself to be better and, you know, be more aware kung paano ko iti-treat yung sarili ko para I can give advice to others para sa mga same situation na nararanasan ko ngayon. So, yun lang naman. Okey, so let's try, work na tayo, okey? Ta's balik ako. Okay, so just an update, there's been some changes. Um, yeah. 'To, so tinandaan ko na siya 'no, so may bago tayong note. Nakakalimutan ko kasi, so I think this will help me better remember things, no? And yeah, it worked. Nakatapos ako ng 2 video, which is good, I'm okay. Like, realistically hindi ko talaga kaya, akala ko nga isa lang kaya kong tapusin, pero men kasi napaka-basic lang talaga ng video 'no? Like sobrang basic talaga, seryoso. Kaya, I need to be better and, yeah, just push through the pain and just remember the tools. Nakalimutan ko yung ano men, eh, may nakalimutan akong tool which is yung 3D 'no. Like, palagi kong ginagamit yan, eh, yung 3D na rule pero nakalimutan ko siya. Anyway, so yun nakatapos ako ng 2 video which is good 'no, kaysa sa wala. Actually kaysa sa isa lang dapat yung matatapos ko, eh. Tapos, I'm going to read, or discuss kung ano yung mga ganap ko today kasi may mga ganap na ako kanina. Kaso bawal pa ako mag-record so nilista ko lang siya muna dito. So at least ngayon puwede na tayong mag-record and, yeah, I feel, good. I feel good. It's not that easy pero, well, we did it. Let me just update this a bit. So, good progress. Even sa meditation, so good progress. Okay, so di-discuss natin 'yan actually. Okay, so, as you can see here 'no, dito sa ano natin, sa notes ko 'no. So, okey naman yung tracking 'no, it really helps. Wait a minute, ito ba yun? Just wanna double check kung, tama ito yan. So, ni-record ko siya kanina, eh. Okay, so yun, tracking really helps 'no. Bakit ko ba 'to nilalagay? Kasi it's proof na nag-i-improve ako. So, it's proof that I can do other things and I can apply whatever the feeling of tracking is in ano 'to. Okay. Nakalimutan ko 'to, buti naalala ko. Alam mo buti talaga nagno-note ako. Mismong itong learning ko na 'to nakalimutan ko mismo. Okay, so ito yung ibig ko sabihin diyan. Eto, the fact na nagta-track ako 'no, kasi bago pa ako mag-video, gaya ng mga ginagawa ko ngayon like recording a video, bago ko pa 'to gawin, I've been tracking myself, uh, with ayan yung on a hourly basis, weekly basis, on a daily basis 'no, even with the hours, I track my hours kung paano ko siya ini-spend 'no, and naging automatic na siya. I remember a time na napakahirap i-track ng oras ko. Like, seriously, it's just not easy. One of the things that probably helped me a lot is because I have a good setup here, no? Let me show you my setup para magets mo. Kasi I know it really is a blessing kung anong meron ako ngayon. So makikita mo dito, so meron akong TV. So ito yung monitor ko, no? So monitor na maayos, yung pentap ko dati na maliit naggamit ko rito, tas TV. Tapos may TV pa ako diyan sa taas, which is nandiyan yung tracking ko, no? So kung makikita mo dito yung setup ko, ganito yung itsura niya. Yan, itsura ng kwarto ko. Ganyan, may isa pang ano dun eh. PC na hindi ko pa naasikaso. Lumang PC. Anyway, so mas nata-track ko siya ng mabuti. Ang dali, oh man, tingnan mo, ganito yung POV ko. Okay, trabaho. Okay. Alam mo, documenting this right now just motivates me even more. You know, just gives me more energy to work harder kasi I've been blessed with this blessing, 'di ba? Like I'm blessed to have these tools, no? To improve myself, no? Anyway, ang point ko lang dito, naging automatic na so far yung pagta-tracking ko, pagta-track. And I want whatever I want to happen, like editing video, let's just focus on editing, wala nang iba. Gusto ko yung editing maging ganito ka automatic. I think I'm going there now. We might be going there. Kasi currently ngayon hindi pa talaga siya natural, no? Well, we always talk about it. Kanina lang naiiyak-iyak na ako, naiwan na nadi-disappoint. Ayokong kumilos eh, no? But again, let's just go with it, 'di ba? Again, I accept na beginner pa rin pala ako kahit na putang 8 years na ako nag-e-edit. I'm a beginner, okay? So we need to accept it. It's okay. Alright, so yun. Yeah, I need to understand na I'm a beginner. I mean, I need to remember na the fact na meron na automatic 'tong ginagawa ko na pagvi-video ngayon, na tracking, no? Yung paggamit ko nito, like tracking this, 'di ba? So this tracker is automatic that whatever I'm trying to work on right now, which is for now video editing and resilience, it's going to be automatic soon. It's just a matter of time. So I just need to go through with it, no? I can feel that I'm improving every single day, so I think it's good, no? So that's good. Okay, that's good. So yun, it's not hard at all. So hindi ako nahihirapan when it comes to tracking. It's just automatic. No, I just do it. You know, maybe it's because I'm aware din, focused din ako. Kasi there are times na hindi ako nakakapag-track. Lalo na kapag it's been a busy day or it's been a bad day. Actually, you know what? Main factor is the I would say, lagyan natin ito dito. I would say is malaking factor dito yung tawag dito. Malaking factor dito yung mornings, no? Me having good mornings, mid-morning is a huge impact. Unfortunately, hindi siya unfortunately. So, unexpectedly, it's really a huge impact. That's kasi kapag maganda umaga ko, nata-track ko ng maayos yung araw, no? Nata-track ko yung hours ko, no? Yung importante talaga yung simula. Tapos, it's just a matter of me working on the middle of the day. I would say the midday ngayon is maganda, okay naman. Wala pa tayong EOD actually. I'm going to work on that. Pero yun, okay naman tayo dun. So I just need to remember that. I need to remember that me, you know, just be aware na it's okay, magiging automatic rin yan. So, okay. Hindi siya mahirap. Okay, so meron pa ako isang gustong pag-usapan. So it's about me taking a break and having a different approach when it comes to my daily tasks or my daily routine, no? Kasi, yan, so it is proof na kaya ko, no? And currently, I am kinder to myself, even though it looks like self-sabotaging, but it's not, no? Kasi, kagaya kahapon, no? Tina-try ko kasing i-solve yung sleeping pattern ko. So sabi ko, okay, nag-work ako kahapon ng walang breaks para after ng work ko, tulog na. Kaso hindi gano'n yung nangyari. Pero okay lang, gano'n talaga eh. Kailangan natin magpahinga eh. Kailangan ko magpahinga, eh. So yun, nanood ako ng X-Men ta's naglaro ako ng Warcraft 'no. Like sobrang wala ako sa mood din magtrabaho kahapon talaga kagaya ng ngayon. Pero, well, we're growing 'no, we're improving. Wala pa kasi kasing system, pero yun, we're working on it, 'di ba? Tapos, yun, I am actively being kinder to myself. I just accept na hindi yun wasted time 'no, kasi mahaba-haba rin ako nagpahinga ta's hindi rin ako nakatulog ng maaga. Actually late din. So, ang action plan ko ngayon is baliktad, magpupuyat ako ngayon para late ako or like makatulog na ako kinabukasan. Yung isang strategy ko na medyo ang hirap rin nitong gawin kasi tangina mayayari na naman katawan ko pero testing natin, let's see. Hindi gumana yung maaga tulog, eh. Try natin late matulog para magka-change, 'di ba? Different input, different output. So yun, so it might look like I'm self-sabotaging pero I'm just strategically being kinder to myself. Kasi, I'm going to talk about this next, okay? So imagine this, kapag may tao ako na gustong magbago 'no, for example kapatid ko 'no, kaya ka-work ko 'di ba, my assistant, I'm helping them to change. I don't force them to change, I just communicate with them calmly and give them a chance. Kung anong desisyon nila bahala sila, kung magbago sila, edi okey, kung hindi bahala sila pero I believe in them. 'Di ba? I give them trust and, I give them a chance na kaya nila continuously. I give them a chance continuously and you just support them and believe in them as much as you can na magbabago sila, that they will be better, 'di ba? So, I think this is what I'm doing right now, no? I'm communicating to myself effectively. Hindi pinipilit yung sarili ko, no? I'm not harming myself. I'm not telling myself na bawal ako mag-games and stuff, nagsayang ako ng oras, no? I'm just being kinder to myself and just understanding my capacity and having fun while improving, no? I do acknowledge na yung nararamdaman ko sa isip ko na it might be negative, like, because I'm the kind of person na, okay dapat matulog tayo, okay dapat nagtrabaho ako, gano'n. I'll just share how I operate 'no. For years or months, probably years, masyado ako nai-stress sa trabaho and, even with my assistant na nagagalit ako and, dapat mabilis ka and stuff 'no. It is not good. And I realized in order to help her, I need to change my approach. I need to be aware of the right things to say. Ever since, lahat ng kapamilya ko, kahit yung kapatid ko, kapag tinuturuan ko and shit, like, when I train people and stuff, ang alam ko lang is maging mahigpit and, maging practical. Which does not work every single time, no? There needs to be a balance. And there's always needs to be some respect. And mas na confirm ko lang 'yon kay Alex Hormozi sa seminars niya and, sa mga videos na ginagawa niya that, I forgot that the acronym pero I think it's respect. Like I forgot about it pero it just makes sense, 'no? Like hindi ka magagalit, 'no? You will, do stuff, tactical stuff. And you just need to give the person, whoever it is, a more understanding and be smarter about it, no? The reason why hindi siya natututo, him or her, is because sila yung may fault, no? You need to take accountability na baka meron kang kulang na hindi ginagawa. Especially if sila yung tipo ng tao na talagang willing to change, 'di ba? Pero if hindi sila willing to change, well, of course, walang mangyayari. But, especially if it's a skill issue. And I'm doing that. I am actively doing that right now. I'm being more calm and, just, understanding the situation that, Panenero man won't, help anything. It's just going to, make the workplace, work culture toxic, which is unnecessary, 'di ba? You just need to understand and learn people. Accept them for who they are as long as they're willing to change, as long as they're willing to put in the work, 'di ba? You just need to, be more patient and just accept kung sino sila and, just be smarter. How do you communicate with them? How can they learn, 'di ba? You can't just always shout, 'di ba? And I just realized that gano'n din ako sa sarili ko for years, probably. Hindi ko alam kung ganito na ako ever since, pero I just know I know my potential, and I just realized in my subconscious that I'm very harsh to myself when I fail and stuff. Yes, of course, kinokonsente ko yung sarili ko palagi, maging late and shit, you know. Pero it's so painful pa rin. Like nasanay akong tiisin 'yun, pero even if I'm doing okay, na masipag tayo, maayos tayo sa work, it's just so hard, 'no, na gaya ngayon, it took me a long time to just accept na mabagal ako, 'no? Because I know na mabilis ako, eh. I know my potential, but it's just not the reality, you know? And I beat myself up, like kagaya ng kung paano ako noon sa work, na kung magalit ako na dapat mabilis, ganito, ganyan, 'no? And then I changed, 'di ba? So mas okay na yung work environment, mas okay na siya, hindi na siya toxic. Pero ako minsan toxic pa rin pala ako sa sarili ko. So the point here is, most of the time, like, I mean, right now and moving forward, I changed and I am more kinder to in the workplace, and I've always been kinder to other people. Kahit na bullshit sila, and you just be kind. And hindi man sila bullshit or what, like sa kaibigan mo or bibigyan mo ng payo or what, you know, you want them to change, you want them to understand what's the right thing to do, pero di mo sila pinipilit, 'di ba? Like, um, 'di ba, you just give them advice and, it's up to them, 'di ba? No hard feelings kung di ka nila sundin or what, 'di ba? You just give advice. You're just kinder to them kahit na paulit-ulit sila magkamali or what, 'di ba? It's no big deal. And I want to give that to myself as well. Yung kung gaano ako kabait sa ibang tao, sa, to my assistant, sa mga ka-work ko, 'di ba? I want to be kinder to myself as well. Yes, I am the owner of the business, but it's just better this way for now, 'di ba? Kasi we can improve continuously, 'di ba? Hindi naman natin kinokonsente sarili natin, eh. Even if we give ourselves, some grace and, mas maging kinder to ourselves, hindi naman natin hahatakin yung sarili natin pababa, eh. We already have the tools to improve, 'di ba? Meron tayong mga acronym dito, 'di ba? Actually, okay nga yung progress natin for today, eh. Ito, makikita mo. So, okay naman yung progress natin. So, ayan. So, meron tayong progress dito. EOD na lang ang wala, 'di ba? So, actually may kulang pa ako ditong isa, eh. So, hindi ko pa puwede 'tong i-check, eh. Yung 4. Tapos na tayo. Okay, so gagawin ko talaga yung 4 pagtapos nito bago ako magpahinga or what, kung ano man yung gawin ko. Okay. So, yun. It's just a different idea, and I've tried this for multiple times, to be honest, being kinder to myself. I am kinder to myself because in a way I am helping myself, 'di ba, to be better. And again, minsan pag kinokonsente ko sarili ko, it's a wrong form of self-love, like being kinder to myself, pero I am trying. It's just that this time I just realized when it comes to work, when it comes to performance, harsh din pa rin pala ako sa sarili ko. Like hindi na ako harsh sa workplace, no, workspace, pero harsh ako sa sarili ko, which is wrong. Hindi rin ako maggo-grow pa agad-agad, baka mas bumagal pa, 'di ba? I'm not sure if nilagay ko yun dito. Ito kasi, so this is a weird thing that I want to share about me is, may tendency ako na nanggigigil ako. Even right now, 'di ba? Pulling or I'm putting feelings, right, when I talk right now. So, may tendency ako na nanggigigil and I can't explain it, 'no? Hindi ko siya ma-explain ng verbally, pero yun yung, pakiramdam ko overall 'no. Like parang stiff yung katawan ko 'no. Kaya actually matigas katawan ko. Nerd ako gumalaw men, eh. I don't know, it's just me 'no, tumanda akong ganito. Pero ang tigas ng katawan ko and I have a habit when I'm working, or giving my best, tumitigas katawan ko ganyan bigla ta's parang tigas ng mouse ko ta's may attitude ako, nakaganto ako palagi 'pag nagfo-focus. So, you know, my body reacts 'cause I'm trying to focus. Kaso nakaka-drain siya, eh. So, eto, so stiff yung katawan ko, yung noo ko nakakunot, nakadila ako. So, when I'm focusing, the emotional feeling is, I'm doing my best, eh. So, I'm in flow 'no. So, naka-focus ako. And, yeah, I need to be kinder to myself. I need to, relax. A lot of people always say that to me, man. And I don't understand them because always say, relax, chill, chill, relax, relax. Man, I'm chasing my dreams. Kailangan ko kumita ng pera. Man, may pangarap ako. Hindi ako pwede mag-relax. Pero unfortunately, hindi siya para sa akin, eh, yung gano'ng attitude. I appreciate that, pero man, para sa tao na may pagka-ADD tendencies 'no, ADHD tendencies tapos hindi pa gano'n kadisiplinado, hindi bagay sa'kin 'yun, man. Kasi hindi like, yes, gano'n yung attitude ko pero yung output ko hindi gano'n, 'di ba? So, huge disconnect. I need to train for the basics first again, 'no? And I don't wanna be like that anymore. I can be like that in action, hindi sa salita and hindi sa feelings 'no? So nasaan na ba tayo? So yeah, I'm being kinder to myself and isa sa na-notice ko 'no, when it comes to endurance is, yun nga, nanggigigil ako 'no, may tendency ako na manggigil sa mga bagay-bagay. So nagigigil din ako sa sarili ko and I observed na kapag nanggigigil ako, matagal ko ng alam 'to, nakakalimutan ko lang palagi. Kapag nanggigigil ako sa isang bagay or I'm focusing in a single thing, napapagod ako. That's exactly what happened yesterday. Ang haba ng recording ko yesterday, even today mahaba, 'di ba? But it's okay. I know how to manage my energy now. So so whenever I, do stuff na sobrang effort sa akin 'no, like sobrang effort, it just tires me out 'no. My brain, I don't know, hindi ko siya ma-explain, eh. Kaya I'm being more aware now sa katawan ko and even myself, 'di ba? Again, I don't wanna judge myself anymore. I wanna be kinder to myself and at the same time, I wanna be more calmer, 'no? Like, chill. Wag ka masyadong gigil, man. I know we're working, I know we're doing our best, pero man, kaya yun yung reason yata kaya ako napapagod mentally, eh. Kasi I'm always palagi akong nakagigil, palagi akong I'm putting all of my mental effort, too much. I'm not managing it, no? Which is again, might be linked to my emotional regulation problem, no? Masyado akong emotional sa mga bagay-bagay, kaya 'pag nagalit ako sobra, 'di ba? Meron din akong tendency before na 'pag nagmahal sobra. So, emotion I have a I'm not good at managing my emotions, even my sadness. Kanina lang 'di ba nalulungkot na naman ako in shit, 'di ba? And 'pag masaya ako, masaya din 'no. Ayoko namang isipin na bipolar ako 'no. That's bullshit. But the point here is, it's just the reality, no? It's just who I am. So I need to manage it. Because again, me being like that, it just drains my energy a lot and hindi na ako makapag-work. So again, it's almost like sa marathon, tinotodo ko palagi yung takbo. Eh, malamang hindi talaga ako makakatapos niyan, hindi talaga hahaba yung work hours ko niyan kung gano'n. So, yun yung tina-try ko ngayon 'no, nata-try kong tandaan palagi. Actually, nilink ko siya sa meditation, eh. So, yung meditation ko, yung med is, manage emotions daily 'no, yung med ko. So, what I mean by that is I just need to manage my emotions. Even nung nakaraan 'di ba, nung pagod na pagod ako agad kasi sobrang stressful ng simula ng araw ko. Bakit ba ako na-stress? It's because maybe I'm taking things too seriously, and if I'm not going to take stuff seriously, then I won't be drained at all, 'di ba? I think that's one of the key things. Again, I always hear this about stoicism, nakakalimutan ko lang siya talaga or baka hindi na siya kumo-connect sa'kin kasi sobrang nabugbog na yung tenga ko, I don't know. Ang naobserbahan ko lang si Alex Hormozi is, I would say, trained pagdating sa ganito 'no, he's kinda good. And I think ganito yung pakiramdam nun 'no, just chill, 'di ba, chill, relax, don't care. It just really helps 'no. I don't know if parehas kami ng situations, I'm so sure na mas disiplinado siya sa'kin, so if it helps him, may it's definitely helping me, no, to work longer hours, not spend a lot of energy. I'm just managing this. Like my mental energy, my emotions, it just helps for so far. And ito pa yung isa. So naalala mo nung sinabi ko yung kumakain ako, hindi naman konti yung kinain ko, madami din. Pero the fact na I'm aware and I'm trying to avoid na antukin is hindi talaga ako inantok. It's almost like this, medyo connection siya kasi meron akong awareness, 'no? May awareness na nangyayari. Like, alam ko na puwede akong ma-stress sa trabaho. Alam ko na puwedeng ibigay na naman yung best ko at manggigil na naman sa trabaho, like mag-focus. Alam ko puwedeng sumakit na naman ulo ko kaka-work. So, even though nakaka-stress yung work, the fact na aware ako na puwede yung mangyari and I'm trying to dial it down kahit na it's the same exact input, I think it's helping. With my endurance and stuff, I think it's helping. It's just a matter of awareness and the fact na aware ka na, mina-manage mo na yun sa sarili mo, no? I don't know, it's like kinda hard to explain pero it just works. So yun, kanina lang nagta-type ako, nakaganito na naman ako. Nagfo-focus na naman ako. Nage-gets mo? It's a tendency of me na mag-focus na parang kunwari kukunin ko 'to saglit. Parang gano'n I can't explain it. It's stupid. It's a bad aray ko sakit. It's a bad habit. I'm going to be aware of that, iiwasan natin 'yan kasi nakakapagod siya, eh. I don't even know if it's helping, 'di ba? 'Cause I always realize like it's meron ding kasabihan 'di ba or it's just the law of attraction or something like when you force yourself into doing something, sometimes it just tends to, be fun. Mas hindi mo siya makukuha. Sa Tagalog, mentras pinipilit mo yung isang bagay, mas hindi siya magwo-work, no? Masisira lang. Even sa problems, ganun ako, no? Ang hilig ko mampilit na pokpokin mo, pak, pak, pak. Kasi isipin mo kung ano yung problema, di ba? Nasira na yung gamit mo, di ba? Why not like that? So, paano ba ka ba hindi magagalit? Just chill, di ba? Just relax. It's just interesting na lahat ng mga issues ko is kind of connected. My emotions, yung anger management issue ko, and again, yung panggigigil ko and stuff, everything is all connected. No? It's kind of good to be aware. And again, it's kind of scary a little bit because hindi mo naman like I know I'm not normal when it comes to my thinking, pero you know it's just so funny. Anyway, I don't want to think of myself as something like PWD or something, but it's just who I am. We're unique. I'm going to be better, and at the end of the day, we will be successful kasi we're trying, 'di ba? Anyway, kung saan na napunta yung usapan natin. Ang haba ng video ko ngayon, pero it's okay. So yun, I want to communicate to myself more effectively para alam mo yun, hindi ko pinipilit yung sarili ko. Just chill, just relax, 'di ba? Okay, late ako ngayon. Okay lang. We're changing, 'di ba? We are changing. We're doing this one step at a time, 'di ba? It's okay. Hindi natin siya kokonsentihin, pero we will always analyze. That's the good thing about us, we always analyze, like, we always learn from our mistakes, no? Again, Iron Man, 'di ba? Okay, mali ako dito, bakit kaya? Okay, dapat ganito, 'di ba? We always course correct, so it's okay. Again, just be calmer and relax para mas mahaba yung endurance natin. So yun, yun yung isa. And again, ayun nga, sinabi ko na dito yan. So, I'll just allow myself to, hindi ko siya ifo-force, no? Kasi sabi nga, wag pilitin yung isang bagay, don't force it. Allow it to flow naturally. Mentras pinipilit ko yung isang bagay, mas hindi siya nagwo-work, mentras pag may gusto kang kuhanin, pag pinipilit mo, mas lalayo siya, no? Babae man yan or whatever, I don't know. It just works that way. So I'm applying it to to whatever we're working on right now, 'di ba? Again, ang pinaka-point ko lang dito is ano, hangga't nagsimula 'to sa thought na yung video editing, me editing video faster, be more organized and just, a video editing machine, it's a process. And I need to be kinder to myself. And again, wag kong pilitin. Dadating yung time, nagugulat na lang ako, automatic na siya. I know this is so much harder compared to documenting, but again, I believe in myself. This will be natural. I've come a long way, no? Sobrang worst ko noon, we're almost there, 'di ba? We're just focusing on the basics talaga. So, yun. And eto pa pala yung isa. Because I've been trying to understand din na hindi naman porket na I'm taking care of myself is ikokonsenti ko na yung sarili ko, no? Kasi meron ditong section na it doesn't mean na kasi I'm doing pain tolerance din, di ba? So in short, kailangan ko masaktan, di ba? Kailangan ko mahirapan. It doesn't mean na hinasaktan ko yung sarili ko is, I'm harsh to myself, di ba? So it's a part of the training, okay? And dadating yung time na yung pain tolerance is not needed anymore because again, it's automatic, di ba? Ngayon lang yan. So, and again, actually okay to, no? Okay din tong section na to, natuwa ako dito sa nilista ko dito eh. It doesn't mean na me being kind to myself is going to, kasi nagpatatrain tayo ng pain tolerance, di ba? Right now. Even kanina, di ba? Pinilit natin mag-work, which turned out good, di ba? When it comes to pain tolerance, mahirap siya eh, no? Pinipilit siya. Pero, again, me being aware to myself that I'm kinder to myself, it just completes the process, no? It just gives me a bigger picture, no? And it parang binubuo niya yung process eh, na hindi ko lang pinapahirapan yung sarili ko para gumaling. Hindi. Mahal ko yung sarili ko. I'm being kinder to myself. And that's why kailangan kong gawin to. Hindi yung kailangan ko lang gawin to for the sake of improving. Hindi eh. May mas nadagdag na context eh, na ginagawa ko to para sa sarili ko. And I'm kinder to myself. That's why I'm doing this. Mas kompleto siya, mas magandang reason siya kaysa para mag-improve lang. Kasi parang walang laman yun eh, para lang sa mag-improve. So, kanina sobrang hirap ako mag-work and I did the shadow work. So, yun itong section na to, yung gigil na gigil ako. Lumalabas 2 beses yata akong sobrang stress. Yung una, yung ganito, tinype ko to. Tapos yung pangalawa, yung na-record ko ng video kasi hirap na talaga ako mag-work. Ayaw talaga ng katawan ko, pero yung buti naalala ko yung 3D, no? Yung 3 decisions, it worked. And gagamitin ko rin yun pagkatapos itong recording na to kasi kailangan kong tapusin yung isa pang cut na nakakaburyo, pero okay lang. Just focus on the 3D. 3 decisions lang. Focus lang tayo doon. Kaya natin yan. So, tignan natin ano ba naisip ko dito. So, when it comes to my shadow work, no? Ano ba sinabi ko dito? So, shadow work, yung pumapasok sa isip ko, again, kapag nag-edit ako, I'm putting mental strain to my brain. I think I need to be aware of my body. Totoo to, kasi nga ito ngayon nanggigigil ako, hindi ko siya napapansin. No? Para naman mas ma-manage natin yung energy natin and yung mental capacity. Kasi, again, ang point ko rito is mentras nag-edit ako na nakaganito, masakit talaga pag kinukulot ko. Mentras nag-edit ako na nakakunod yung noo ko, yes, I'm doing my best, pero tangina ang sakit sa noo, gagi. Nakakadagdag pagod siya, man. Pwede naman wag nakakunot yung noo, mag-relax ka lang. Nagigets mo? Hindi naman yun importante. Ba't ko ginagawa yun? Kaya ako napapagod eh. Tapos naka-clench yung paa ko minsan, nakaganon, no? Imbis na chill-chill lang. Kaya ako napapagod eh. So, kaya naubos lalo yung energy natin. So, we need to optimize that. No? We need to be aware sa katawan natin kung ano bang ginagawa natin. Kaya ako nangangawit eh, di ba? Malaking tulong yun kasi imbis na mag-upgrade ako ng machine, meaning mag-rely ako sa pain tolerance para ang tagal ko nagtatrabaho, pwede naman ako hindi kumunot ng noo. Hindi ko na kailangan masaktan pa ng todo, di ba? Like, kaysa magtrabaho ng ganito, dire-diretso. kayanin ko, magka-pain tolerance ako, tangina kailangan ba talaga yun? Baka naman puwedeng gaangan ko yung load, 'di ba? Kaysa mag kaysa bumili ako ng mahal na machine 'no, or kung kaysa bumili ako ng truck, magrenta ako ng truck, bakit di na lang ako magrenta ng tricycle ta's gaangan ko yung bitbit ko, 'di ba? Yun yung point, eh. Kasi again, may tendency ako na manggigil, which I don't understand why. It's a bad habit, mannerism or whatever. And, nasabi ko na pala 'to dito. And, let me just check it right here. May nakalimutan ba ako? Feeling ko wala. Okay, so, yun. So, yun nga, mas maging aware. And, one thing that I like about what I'm doing right now, kasi nung time yata na 'to is naging aware na ako 'no. Parang may nabuksan na ano sa'kin, eh, na energy. Parang sa Hunter x Hunter yung Nen, parang napapalibutan ng Nen yung katawan ko, tangina. Okey, relax Nen. One thing that I like about this, continuous awareness ko is, parang nagpi-peel ako ng layers. Kasi imagine this, so pangilang araw na natin, this is my 4th week recording, documenting myself, and so yun, nawala ako. So sinasabi ko is, yun, me being aware 'no, it just helps me peel the layers kasi pangilang recording ko na 'to, 5th ano, 5th day for the week. Hindi ko 'to na-realize agad 'no, hindi like alam mo yun, I'm peeling the layers, mas nakakapag-dig deep pa ako kung ano ba yung nararamdaman ko. Actually, alam ko na 'to, lahat ng mga sinasabi ko dito alam ko naman na 'to before, nakakalimutan ko lang talaga. And ngayon ang maganda is naaalala ko yung mga alam ko na, and we will try to remember this 'no, para naman din na natin makalimutan and mas maging buo yung learnings tsaka yung ako mismo as a tao, 'di ba, of who I wanna be. I can be more complete, 'di ba? So yun, okey yun. Uh, I like this session what we're doing, we're, helping me peel the layers 'no. So, continuous awareness, I'm continuing to peel the layers and understand myself better, have a better connection sa sarili ko. Hindi yung palaging passive na tao, like hypnotized na alam mo yun, nabubuhay lang na parang ano, para ko hindi ko kayang kontrolin yung sarili ko, which is bullshit, 'di ba? To the point that, I can ask myself to follow, alam mo yun, yung meron akong ano, alam mo yun, yung panahon na hirap na hirap talaga ako, wala dito yun sa video, pero nung nagdo-document ako, I mean nag-aano ako, nagco-coaching, like, I'm noting my thoughts, my experiences. Sobrang hirap ako kumilos, hindi ko mapasunod yung sarili ko. Ngayon 'di ba nasa process na tayo ng, just continuing the momentum. Dati the fact na mag-edit hindi ko talaga magawa, sobrang hirap. So yun, ito pala, this is interesting. So one thing that's a mystery to me is kada gising ko, it always feels different, Parang hindi ko ma-predict, hindi ako predictable pa. Medyo siguro basta good morning, 'di ba, okey naman. Pero I don't know what's going to happen pagkagising ko na naman mamaya 'no. And maybe that thing can make things more interesting na hindi boring. Kasi I can be excited for tomorrow, like, isipin ko, "Ano kaya meron bukas?" 'No, parang and, we just need to be good 'no, kailangan nating maging magaling to adapt to our current situation. So, and again, we still need to have some forecasts para, may idea tayo kung paano tayo magma-maneuver sa araw, 'di ba? So yun, based on my observation, parang sa games 'no, looks like, it looks at the time. Okey. Alam ko na 'tong ano, pinaka-closing thoughts dito. So again, observation ko parang sa game 'no, may isa pa pala akong ginagawa nitong araw na 'to. I don't stress myself too much, 'di ba? So pinaghahalo-halo ko siya. So it's almost like a combination of being kinder to myself and, calming down para, the energy levels are calm, relax. Huwag tayong manggigil para mas mahaba yung endurance natin. Para we can work without being tired. That's the point. Bakit nga ba ako nagiging tired, 'di ba? I'm tiring myself out. I can just chill, 'di ba? I can just, edit, chill, edit, 'di ba? Para makalayo-layo pa tayo, 'di ba? Just manage your energy, 'di ba? Be strategic about it, 'di ba? So yun yung dalawa, tapos pangatlo, na ginagawa ko, again, emotional regulation, is when it comes to time. And I think may bago tayong acronym para dun, 'to, NTE. May progress ako dito, 'no. Eto, NTE, meron tayong progress. So, NTE is, no time emotions or emotion. What I mean by this is, kapag tumitingin ako sa oras kasi I'm tracking my time, eh, 'di ba? And again, parang sa game, ganito, yung sinabi kong parang game is I'm kinder to myself and I accept, nakapaloob din pala dun na I accept na mabagal ako mag-edit. So, I don't look at the time. Hindi ko tina-timeran yung sarili ko kung ano gaano man ako kabagal, it's okay. It's a luxury of mine, it's a luxury of mine that I need to take advantage na I can work at my own pace. Kaya rin ako nadi-disappoint sa sarili ko kasi the faster I work, the more money I earn, the slower I work, mas maghihirap ako, 'di ba? We have no choice but to get more money. But again, I have no choice but to train. Hindi ka puwedeng madaliin 'to. I have no choice. So 'yun, ayoko ma-stress sa oras. So and, parang sa game, naisip ko 'to sa ganito, eh. Sa game, hindi naman ako nai-stress. I can be stressed a little bit, pero I don't look at the time. Nagugulat na lang ako nung petsa na, 'di ba? Ayaw ko ngang humaba yung oras, eh, 'pag naglalaro ako. Kasi ngayon I'm stacking up work hours, eh. Hindi pa ako nakakapag-focus masyado sa output. Kasi 'pag nag-focus ako ng mas maraming output, I need to optimize my time. Eh, magkokonekta siya, eh. So ngayon, I'm just focusing on, extending my work hours para yung output sasabay, 'no? Hindi pa nage-gets mo? Imbes na yung output binibilang ko yung work hours muna. Kasi again, 'pag binilang ko yung output, mape-pressure ako sa oras, it just makes sense, right? So yun, ayokong ma-pressure sa oras, so and, sa output, so mine-measure ko muna yung oras for now para extended work hours for now. Yung output sasabay na yan. So yun, um, I'm applying that mentality, that philosophy for now kasi again, we're really working on myself when it comes to editing. I know this is a process. Kailangan ko lang, stick to the process, 'no? Just apply my learnings. Nagiging okay din 'to lahat, naniniwala ako. Dadating time na mabilis na talaga akong mag-edit. Kasi looking back, never pala yata talaga akong naging mabilis mag-edit. As in never. Akala ko lang mabilis ako talaga, it's an illusion of me. Never akong bumilis pala, never. Never ever akong bumilis. Pero in my mind, I think mabilis ako mag-edit, pero when it comes to decision making, like mabilis ako skill-wise, pero napapagod ako mag-isip, which is yun na nga yung point, yun yung sino-solve natin ngayon para 'pag nag-connect na siya, kapag, hindi ako napapagod ta's mabilis ako mag-decide, meron tayong systems pa, eh, mabilis naman ako sa ibang aspects, eh. Eh, di okey na, problem solved, 'di ba? And it's not an easy journey, it's going to be a journey. So, hopefully by the end of August mas improve na tayo, 'no? We'll see. So yun lang naman, today has been a very long recording session. It's been very hard at times pero it's also good. Napakalaking realization na 'to sa'kin, calming down. I don't do this, like, I edit whatever, uma-action ako kung ano man yung feeling ko subconsciously. Pero me being more conscious when it comes to my body, actions, it really helps, again, for endurance side, 'di ba? Paghalu-haluin lahat ng mga natutunan ko. So yun lang naman, I really need to, practice what I preach, 'di ba? So kailangan kong mag-take action. I will apply ko yung 3D dito sa remaining na video kay Steven para eto literal cut lang. Ayoko na talaga mag-decide, cut lang. Ayokong gumawa ng final version. Hindi ko pa rin napa-practice yung cut na sinasabi ko, ito, 'di ba? Hindi ko pa rin napa-practice 'to. Kailangan ko 'tong practicehin. So, yun lang naman.